In this video, I will teach you how to ask for address in English, and I will show you the nightlife in Tehran, and we will have a native English conversation. Let's go! To be honest, I'm lost in the middle of nowhere, and I don't know where the square is. And actually, I have lost my friends too, and I don't know where I am in this great city, in this big city with over 20 million people. So I'm on the pavement, so this is called the pavement, and I'm going to nowhere. I don't know where I'm heading. Heading means going, by the way. In idiomatical English, head means go. So I'm heading to nowhere. And let's ask for address. So this is Asal, and she's our IELTS tutor. I'm going to ask for directions from her. Oh, hi. Could you please tell me how I can get to the square?
Of course. Go straight for a while, then take the first left, then go straight again, and then turn left again. After a while, turn right, and you'll see the square.
Actually, another way to ask for address is, can you tell me where the blah 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 is? For example, can you tell me where the square is? Or you can easily say, can you guide me to the Or you can easily say, can you guide me to the square? Or can you show me the square? Or can you take me to the square? But this way, the person you're asking from will help you get there and they will accompany you. When they say you should go straight, that means you should go exactly the direction you are heading to, you're facing. So we should go straight. Let's go. We're going straight. And this actually is a historical place in our city. It is a really nice spot. Let me show you how it looks. Let me zoom in. So this is a kind of path.
Look at the view.
Yeah, it is really beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
And in the end of this path, there is a museum. I think it's Museum of Cinema, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So
See the pictures of actors.
exactly.
On the wall.
You can see the pictures of actors, and you can also see some movie posters. Yeah. So that's why we're heading there, but I don't think we can enter it because it's closed, isn't it?
It's temporarily closed.
No, I think no, it's open actually.
Really?
Yeah. So what do you
So
think?
we can get in then.
Yeah. But that's not a plan in our video, maybe next time.
Yes.
Yeah. But if you want to visit and see the inside of this museum, tell me in the comments. So,
I only knew where to go up to here. From here on out, I don't know where to go.
seriously?
Yes. Yeah. So we should ask people.
Oh yeah. There's a guy I think you can go and ask him.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
let's
I
go.
will.
Yeah, go. So,
I asked him where to go, and he said we should turn around on that corner.
all right. And then
And then we hit the square.
I don't think so because I don't see any squares at the end of that street.
I don't know.
Wow. Okay, I think we have to use the map.
Yes.
Yeah, Google Maps or maybe Waze.
Or
But
we
yeah,
should just walk and let's see where we're headed.
yeah. And let me show you this museum's facade from a closer look. So as you can see, this is the facade of the museum. It is traditional architecture, Persian architecture. And yeah, this is the way that he said we have to go to. But I don't think it will head to any squares.
I only see a dead end.
Yeah. And I think we're getting off the beaten path, off the beaten track, because I don't see anyone.
Yes, it's only us here.
Yeah. But we're brave. We're gonna explore this city.
We're going to find that a square.
Let's go. What is this?
This is a T junction,
Yeah.
and I don't know which way to go.
She literally made us lost.
Guys, I'm not so good at directions, so
So
that's that.
now I don't know if I should go this way, take a right, or take a left. I don't know which one. But
I think we should take left.
so let's trust your instinct and take a left.
Thank you for trusting.
You're welcome. You're my IELTS tutor, so I have to trust you. If you want to prepare for IELTS, TOEFL, or PTE, you can easily trust Asal and our other professional tutors who can help you with these tests. If you want to know about the information and book a free trial lesson to see how the courses are, you can easily send us a message on WhatsApp and Telegram. Guys, we're in a deadly neighborhood. There's no one.
It's not deadly, it's just vacant.
It looks like the city of ghosts. Ghost City. There's no one. And you know, actually, when I was recording the video, just a motorbiker passed by, and God knows, I thought he's a mugger.
Yeah, he
So,
got so scared, guys.
Yeah, you know, since once they have stole my mobile phone. I have told you the story of this mugging on the video, which is linked above. You can watch it and see what happened.
He's traumatized.
Finally, we got close to the main street, and I'm really, really happy for what is happening. But it's your fault, you know?
I was right, you see.
We were lost. We were literally
we weren't lost. We found the way.
But we got lost first in the beginning, and then trusting your instinct made us find the path.
So did you find it or not?
Yeah,
So, zip
yeah,
it.
she's right. So let's go. So finally, we got on the main street, and as you can see, it's getting more and more crowded as it passes, as it goes on. And
Look at that stand.
oh yeah, actually here we have some handicraft stall. This is a stall, and now I want you to tell me what you see here.
It has some prayer beads. These are the prayer beads and rosary this way. And some necklaces and keychains also. Look at them. Look at the cars, they're so cute. And here we have some bracelets that also were made with beads.
Yeah. We could also call them marble stones because
Mhm,
they're made of
yes.
marble.
Yeah.
Or for example, this one is made of turquoise. So yeah, that's what we call them. And here we have some silver and gold
jewelry.
chains.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, he was a nice man.
Yes.
He asked us if this video, actually, if recording my stall helps your video grow, it's okay. And he didn't ask for anything in return.
Yes, he was so nice.
This street is the longest street in the Middle East, I think, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. And
Variastra Street.
yeah, it's really beautiful. I will post some videos of this street in spring and fall, and walking on this street um, at any time of the day is really joyful. And you can see the shops like this. For example, this is a chocolate shop.
Candy shop.
Yeah, candy shop. Or this one, that's a jewelry shop. And then you can see some jewelry here. Hat shop. Yeah, it's a hat shop. Actually, it's not a shop. It's just a street vendor. Wow, and that's an antique shop. Look at that clock. Wow, that's really beautiful. And yeah, what do you think of this street?
Actually, I love the street so much because it just makes me feel alive and like I belong here.
Yeah, actually, it's a really lively street and it's really vibrant. Yeah, since there are a lot of people, there are a lot of cars too. There is both foot traffic and car traffic, and that's why people love this street.
And people are nice to you here.
Yeah, they are nice because actually this is the downtown Tehran. That's why people are wealthier than the norm, than the average. That's why they behave better. Finally, we got to the square. That is the square, and as you can see, the cars are driving around, and I wanna cross the street. You should look left when you're crossing a square. I mean, a street which is around a square because there is no other car coming from the other direction. And if you want to have access to the worksheets of this video, you can easily click on the link above and become an exclusive member by paying only $3 a month. But if you want to learn deeply and have access to our deep dive videos in which I analyze the comprehensible input videos and I teach you everything deeply, you can easily click on this link and become a member of our study club and have access to our deep dive videos, which I post every Wednesday. And as you can see, Asal is there, so let's get to her and thank her for the wrong direction she gave us. So that's it for this video, and thank you so much for the wrong directions you gave us.
Didn't we get to the square?
Of course we did.
So that was because of me. You didn't know anything. At least I knew something.
Of course I knew. I just wanted to teach you English, so that's why I asked her.
Teach me English.
Not you, I
Oh,
mean
okay.
the guys behind
Got
the
it,
camera.
got it.
Yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more. See you.
Bye.